Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we will discuss about our arithmetic progression part 2. So in the part 1 we discuss about our n formula. The formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied d, where an is the nth term, a is the first term, n is the number of term, and d is the common difference. We already discussed about all these things in the previous video. So now let's learn how to apply this formula in the questions. So let's begin with today's video. So our first question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So we have to find the number where 78 is placed in this AP. So what is given in this question? The first term, that is A, 3, and the difference A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3, that is 5. And the nth term, or we can say that an, that is 78. So what is our formula? Our formula is a plus n minus 1 multiplied d is equals to an. So we are going to put all this value. A is 3 plus and we have to find the n minus 1, and the difference is 5, and an is 78. So now n minus 1, 5 equal, here 3 is with addition sign. When it goes to other side, it comes in subtraction sign. So n minus 1, 5 is equals to 75, and n minus 1 is equals to, it is in multiplication sign. When it comes to other side, it is in division. So when we divide it, we get 15. So n is equals to 15. This minus 1 becomes plus 1, is 16. So our A16 is our 78th term. What is the value of n? 16. So we have to find which term is 78. So 16th term is 78. I hope it's clear. Now let's move forward to the next question. Find the number of terms. Number of terms means n in each of the following AP. We did it. So now apply this also. So now let there are n terms. We don't know how many terms in between that. So we have to find in the AP. So what is our AP? 7, 13, 19, so on, 205. And what we have? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So what is an? The last term, that is 205. What is a? The first term, 7 plus, and we have to find the number of terms. And what is difference? 13 minus 7. And 13 minus 7 is 6. D is A2 minus A1. That is 13 minus 7, 6. Now, we are going to solve this. 7 is with addition sign. When it comes to this side, with subtraction. And n minus 1, 6. 205 minus 7 is 198. And this 6 comes in division, equal n minus 1. When we divide it, we get 33. And 33 and this one equal n is equals to 34. So there are total 34 terms in this AP. Now do this question, the same thing. Let there are n terms in the AP. So our first term is 18. Our difference is, first we're going to solve this 15 whole 1 over 2 minus the first one 18. So after converting mixed into improper, we get 31 over 2 minus 18, and after solving it, we get minus 5 over 2. And what is our an? The last term is minus 47. So formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 to d. An is minus 47, a is 18 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 5 over 2. Minus 47 minus 18 equal n minus 1 minus 5 over 2. Minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65 and it becomes, when it comes to this side, 2 over minus 5 and here is n minus 1 is left. After eliminating the subtraction sign, the subtraction and 5, this 65 is 13 and 13 times 2 is 26. And this minus 1 comes to this side in addition. So n is equals to 27. So there are 27 terms in this AP. I hope it's clear. Now read this question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. So they give you an AP and they ask you that minus 150 is exist in this AP or not. So we'll do this while writing first our AP. Our AP is 11, 8, 5, 2. So what is A? A is 11. D is A2 minus A1. Term 2 minus term 1. 8 minus 11. That is minus 3. Now AN is the last term or the number of term, that is minus 150. We have to check. It is exist in this EP or not? AP or not? So what we have, A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to AN. A is 11 and we have to find, and D is minus 3 and AN is minus 150. So n minus 1 minus 3 equal minus 150 minus 11. So we multiply minus 3 with n minus 1, we get minus 3n plus 3 and we get this minus 161. So minus 3n will minus 161 minus 3. So we get minus 164 over minus 3 and n is equals to. So when we solved it, we get the number in fraction and our number of term can't be in fraction. So which is not an integral part, right? If it's in fraction, so it is not an integral part. So if there is not integral part, that means the minus 150 is not exist in this A. Hence, minus 150 is not a term of the AP. That's how you can check any term. Now, we are going to solve our question number 4. Read this. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So we have to find A31, where A11 is given, that is 38, and A16 is given, that is 73. So how can you write A11? A11, you can say that when you add the first term and multiplication of 10, the less than 1 with D, this is equals to 38. How? Because our formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So n is 11, 11 minus 1 is 10D is equals to an is 38 in this case. That's how you can directly write it, just less than 1 from this number. So similarly, we can write this A16 as A plus 15D equals 73. So after subtracting these equations, what we get? Subtracting 2 from 1. So A plus 15D minus A minus 10D equal 73 minus 38. So we can eliminate our A. 15 minus 10 is 5D and 73 minus 38 is 35. And D is equals to 35 over 5. So D is 7. So we can put our value of D in any of the equation, in equation 1 or in equation 2. So I'm going to put in equation 1. So A11 is equals to A plus 10D. So A11 is 38. A we don't know, and 10 multiplies 7. So here is 38 minus 70 equal A. So A is minus 32. Now we have A. Now we have D. We can find our term A31. So A31, how can we write it? As A plus 30D. What is A? A is minus 32 plus 30 times D is 7. So minus 32 plus 210. Minus plus is minus, 210 minus 32 is 178 with positive sign. That's how you can calculate the values of any AP. Now we are going to solve this question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Sorry, this is written as term, T-E-R-M. Term is 106. Find the 29th term. Similarly, we are going to solve this question. So what is given? 50th term, that means A50. So there are 50 terms, so A50 is last term is 106. Obviously the last term is 106 when there are total 50 terms. So A50 is 106. So how can we write it as A plus 49D, correct? Equal 106. We'll make it as equation 1. Now third term is 12. Third term means A3 is 12. How can we write it as A plus 2D equal 12. This is our equation 2. So we'll do the same thing. We'll do the subtraction. Subtract 1 and 2. So A plus 49D minus A minus 2D equal 106 minus 12. So we eliminate A with A. 49D minus 2D is 47D and 106 minus 12 is 94. D is equals to 94 over 47. So in table of 47, 94 comes at 2 place. So our value of D is 2. We can put the value of D in any of the equation, in equation 1 or in equation 2. So I'm going to put in equation 2. Put D is equals to 2 in second equation. So A plus 2 times 2 equal 12. A plus 4 equal 12. A is equals to 12 minus 4 equal 8. So our A is 8. And we have to find the 29th term. That means A29. We can write it as A plus 28D. So what is the value of A? 8 plus 28 times 2. So 28 times 2 is 56. 8 plus 56 is 64. I hope it's clear and it is easy to solve. Now let's go forward to the next question. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? So what we have to do in this question, we have to find where is 0 lie in this AP. So what is given? A3 is given. A3 is 4 and A9 is minus 8. So we can write it as A3 as A plus 2D equal 4. We'll take it as first equation. And A9 we can write it as A plus 8D. equal minus 8. We will take it as equation 2. Now we are subtracting both the equation. Subtracting first equation from second. We have what we have. So a plus 8d minus a minus 2d equal minus 8 minus 4. So we eliminate a with 8. 8 minus 2d is 60. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. And d is minus 12 over 6. That is minus 2. So our difference is minus 2. I'm going to put the value in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to put in equation 1. Put d is equals to minus 2 in equation 1. So a plus 2d equal 4. So a plus 2 times minus 2 is 4. A minus 4 equal 4. A is 8. Now we have to find which term of AP is 0. So what this case? We'll take it as that AN equals 0. Because we have to check. So A plus and minus 1 D equal AN, and A is 8 plus, and we have to find minus 1, D is minus 2, and AN is 0. So 8 equal 2 times of n minus 1. So 8 equal to n minus 2. So we'll take it as here. So 8 plus 2 equal to n. 10 over 2 equal n and equal 5. So 0 will come at 5th place in this AP. I hope you understand this question. Now, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So what we understand from this question, that 17th term is greater, is exceed, is more than 10th term. How much more? By 7. So what they are trying to say, that A17 minus A10, and the difference between them is 7. So how can we write A17? We know that A plus 16D minus, and how can we write A10? A plus 9D equals 7. So we are going to solve this bracket and multiply the subtraction. Minus A minus 9D equals 7. We have to find the value of difference, common difference, that means D. We are going to eliminate A with A. 16 minus 9 is 7D equals 7. And D is 7 by 7, that is 1. So what is the common difference? 1. I hope you understand each and every question of AP that I have explained today. And if you like it and understand it, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.